How to add audio in CapCut. Adding an audio to CapCut is actually fairly simple. All you have to do for this is to simply launch the CapCut application, and let's say you're in a timeline editing something, you want to add a voiceover or maybe an audio file and import them to your recording. In order to do so, right here on the timeline, you can just hit the import button and you can simply import an audio file from here. So you can go to a place where you have placed your audio file. Then basically once you've done that, you can see the audio is there. Now if you want to get it, you can just drag and drop it to your timeline just like this. It will be added at the bottom. Now you can also go ahead and then customize the length of the audio, the volume of the audio, and other stuff as such. And this way you should be able to go ahead and then basically add audio to CapCut. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.